Let's move forward. What we're also looking at is some interesting traction in footwear stocks. And this has been on for the last 2 or 3 sessions. Even today, if you're looking at some of the names like Mirza International, I saw was still about 6-7%. There is Liberty. Liberty, of course, in the morning was popping really higher. But now it's up just about 4 to 5%. So is this just some sort of a trading play? Is there something more to it? Well, Nuvama has written a note on it. So let's straight away get to Mangalam to understand what's going on. Is there a shoe story here, or is just, funny trading going on, Mangalam?
Well, there could be funny trading going on, but structurally, there is a story for the shoes for the footwear industry, so to say, itself. And Nuvama has pointed out some data, and if one is a shoe lover, one would already know that, this is what the thesis is. The first one, of course, is that India's organized footwear market is just about 30%. The rest is unorganized. And the organized footwear industry, because of the GST, is obviously growing faster at 13% over the last few years, as against the industry, which is growing at 9%. In that, the category which is growing the fastest, and for those who wear this increasingly post-pandemic, the casualization of footwear is something that the street likes. So, everyone knows that sports and athleisure is something that is growing at 17%. And in that as well is the premium end, which is expected to clock a higher rate. The other thing that has happened is that we've been buying our footwear online more than offline. So, which was 16% as a percentage of sales, is likely to be something all the way up to 22% by FY25. Expected earnings. So if you just take a look at what Nuvama has said, they've initiated coverage on metro brands with a buy rating and a target price of 978, indicating a much higher upside. For Bata, they've initiated coverage, but they have a hold rating with a target price of 1548. Why is that? Because for Bata, they believe that the company is in the midst of changing their positioning from something which was just a value footwear store to something which is now fashionable, and with the sneaker studio, etc., that they've come up with. So they will be watching that to determine a sustainable same-store sales growth trend in Bata. Until then, hold Bata and buy Metro shoes.
Thank you very much for that. And